Convergent thinking is a problem-solving process that involves identifying a single best solution by logically bringing together different streams of knowledge and reasoning. It narrows a broad range of potential solutions down to one definitive answer by applying analytical and critical thinking skills. This mode of thinking is contrasted with divergent thinking, which aims to generate multiple possible solutions through open-ended ideation. The concept of convergent thinking emerged in the 1950s from the work of psychologist J.P. Guilford. As part of his structure of intellect model, Guilford differentiated between convergent and divergent production of ideas. Here's the difference between these two concepts. While divergent thinking freely explores many novel possibilities, convergent thinking utilizes strategies like logic, deduction, analysis, and applying sustained focus to redefine and accurately solve problems with concrete answers. Convergent thinking may be most appropriate for solving closed-ended problems where there is a single correct pathway and solution to identify, such as math problems, crossword puzzles, or troubleshooting with systematic trial and error. Divergent thinking is better suited for open-ended tasks with no single right answer. Ultimately, the two modes work in tandem. Divergent thinking conceives new ideas that convergent thinking can refine, evaluate, and actualize. Some key characteristics of convergent thinking include recognizing familiar patterns to categorize information, logically evaluating the reasonableness and accuracy of solutions, systematically ranking and prioritizing alternatives, filtering out irrelevant details to make crisp deductions, and expertly recalling sound procedural knowledge and factual information. Convergent thinking values precision over fluidity, proven techniques over creative leaps, and adhering to rules and constraints. We rely on convergent thinking skills across many domains. In academics, students utilize convergent thinking for tasks like solving math word problems, reciting the correct definitions for vocabulary terms, or answering multiple choice test questions with one verifiably right answer based on acquired knowledge. In fields like engineering, medicine, and accounting, convergent thinking allows professionals to diagnose technical issues, interpret data, and apply established protocols or formulas to meet well-defined objectives and standards. Law enforcement and intelligence analysts depend on convergent thinking to critically analyze evidence, identify criminal motives, and reconstruct accurate timelines of events. If you're looking for a deeper dive into convergent thinking, I recommend reading the article on my website on this topic. I've left a link to it in the pinned comment. If you want to watch a video on divergent thinking to learn more about that, click the video on the screen now.